decided to have a look at Mandalay. After the 2 days ago when we had the train ride, we just decided to have like 1 day of rest, and now we're doing more of the touristy stuff. We're just here in the King's Palace of Mandalay. As you can see in the background, it's just this huge wooden / golden architecture. Interestingly enough, not that well maintained, I guess, and it's probably also not that old. The taxi driver just told me that it's probably around 150, 175 years old. Looks much older though. And yeah, probably not gonna do much more today because it's ridiculously hot, really hot, and we're on bicycles, and bicycles is not the best choice. If you're traveling here, probably we should have a scooter or something, but next time. Basically is a pagoda, and around there, it's like in every of those white things that you can see, there is one page of Buddha's book engraved into stone. So it's 1,774 thingies around that big golden pagoda there.
I know you have to go home too.